ones in the ceiling.
Yes.
It is finally the freaking end of the day, and I have to feed them at the end of the day. So they come home. One of the homes. I don't know if you can see, but we got a really cool, pretty green egg. The other ones are brown and white, so. But, all right. I am feeding my chickens caviar. I know it sounds crazy, but one of the best ways to decrease your feed costs is to give your chickens your kitchen scraps or whatever you're gonna throw away for the most part. And this was a very nice gesture for a birthday present. I love flying fish roe, technically caviar, or smelt roe at the sushi place. But this wasn't so great. And the chickens get to eat it today. I thought it was kind of crazy. It's technically past its date, and I didn't like it. So these guys get an extra special treat. I don't know that I've ever seen anybody do this. But if you just don't like it, you just don't like it. I can't wait to see what they think. Come on, guys. They're like, what are you doing? Mom? I'll give these guys this. The cat was not impressed with the tablespoon I gave them. What do you guys think? Come on here, I'm gonna mix this one in. No, I'm gonna have to wash these. It's gonna be so gross. It was frozen the whole time, so it's not gonna hurt them. It's like past the date by 2 weeks, but.
I don't think they like it
Are
either.
they trying it?
Yeah, they did. That's
they?
why he keeps throwing his beak into the dirt. And...
Oh, we got a cockfight. All right, you two. Well, those guys started eating it. They're okay with it.
Maybe mixing is what you got to do.
All right, let's mix it in.
Excuse me, honey.
This has like a bunch of the mix that I make, and like sweet potatoes and like just all sorts of scraps, like cooked radishes, and some of the asparagus ends you don't eat. All right, let's see if they'll eat it now. Come on, girls.
Okay. Looks like they're happier eating over there.
We might be a little too close. Well, I did mix some in over there.
Yeah.
Look. There's the girls in the ceiling. Oh, maybe I can catch them. Let's see if they like it down here. Yep, okay. So I don't ever suggest buying caviar just to feed your chickens, but they don't mind it too much mixed in with the rest of their feed with your other kitchen scraps. If you have 2 roosters in a small area, this is what they do.
All day long.
No, not all day long. Because they're not in here all day long. They're only in here at night.
They go out and follow each other around.
Nah.
They're doing the same thing.
This is a little brooder we put together to keep our mama duck, who hatched out a bunch of baby ducks in here to keep them safe earlier in the year. we just haven't taken it out because it's kind of convenient, honestly. To have we have a 10 by 20 down here. We keep some of the supplemental feed. They free range a lot. Here's a dresser that was going to be thrown away that we turned into a nesting box. And they lay in this more than they do the other one we bought. They don't lay in that. They use that one as a perch more than anything. Here's the perch. We need to build some more of those and do a poop board underneath. Right now we have a bunch of straw on the ground. And then there's their waters. But we just ran electric down here with a few heat lamps, but they really don't need it. The water actually hasn't froze in the 10 by 20 when you could fit a lot more chickens in here. There's actually a loft up here. We have the chicken tractor up there that's stuck up there for the winter. So, I mean, you could really fit a lot more in here in this space if you wanted to. But we've got 3 other places for them to hang out. I will say they prefer the other one that has the least amount of caviar in it. Oh, you're adjusting that. Thank you.
Spread out a little bit until we can get down here and finish it.
So conclusion, I don't think chickens like caviar all that well.
We'll eat it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm sure they will.
If not, the guineas will have a headache with it. When they get in the morning.
Guineas. That's a whole nother video. So, good night, everybody.